Learners, so this exercise is 43-4 and instructions are insert commas to separate coordinate adjectives. If a sentence needs no commas, explain why, and for help, consult 43E. Make sure if you're having trouble with an assignment, you go to the e-text and you look up 43E, that it always gives you a reference for your resource in the e-text. Okay, so Number 1 says Oni was a brown terrier mixed dog. You always separate the adjectives. If it gives more than one adjective, which it does, the first adjective is brown. So we would put brown, comma, and then terrier mixed dog. Number 2 says the myth that he showed up. The myth was that he showed up as a skinny, hungry stray one cold winter night in Albany, New York. So the myth was that he showed up as a skinny, comma, hungry, comma, stray one cold winter night in Albany, comma, New York. Okay, number 3, Oni began riding trains across the United States, comma, where his fame earned him numerous shiny medals. So many that postmaster, when you give an introduction of a person and you tell more information than what it originally gives, so it tells you it's a postmaster, but then it tells his name, so you would say postmaster, comma, and then his name was General John Wanamaker, and then ending comma there because you just said what his name was, and then gave them a harness to carry them all. So Oni began riding trains across the United States where his fame earned him numerous shiny medals, so that Postmaster General John Wanamaker gave them a harness to carry them all. Okay, by 1897, comma, the old sick dog, comma, old sick dog had become somewhat mean, comma, and he had to be put down after attacking a mail clerk. Okay, number 5, sad, grateful postal workers. So that's several adjectives. You would put sad, comma, grateful, comma, postal workers, because that's 3 adjectives. You're telling what kind of workers: sad, grateful, and postal. They raised money to have Oni's body preserved by taxidermy, and it still remains in the United States Postal Museum. And that's all for that.